Assalamualaikum to Madam Riadna Hafizah binti Rizwan. So first of all, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Siti Zafrina binti M. Rizal and my matrix number is 01DFI24F2004. So right now, I'm going to introduce about bank that we already select. So the first one is Maybank and the second one is CIMB. So we're going to talk about the introduction. The first one is Maybank, known as Malayan Banking Berhad. It is the largest bank in Malaysia and it was founded on 1960. So it offers many services such as savings, loans, insurance and online banking. So Maybank has branch over 20 countries and its main office in Kuala Lumpur. While for the CIMB, known as the CIMB Group's Holdings Berhad, is also one of Malaysia's biggest bank and it was founded on 1974. It provides banking service like saving, investment, and Islamic banking. CIMB operates in several Asian countries and is known for its modern and digital banking services. The next one, we are going to talk about the product chosen. So the first product chosen is hire purchase car loan, and for the CIMB we call as a hire purchase or auto financing, and for Maybank is Maybank hire purchase. So for the category, the first one is a product type and structure. For CIMB, it offers both hire purchase, conventional and Sharia for new, used, unregistered and reconditioned vehicles. While Maybank is offer both conventional hire purchase and Sharia compliant hire purchase. For example, BA Tuma Al-Baik for motor vehicle and new, used and reconditions. For CIMB and Maybank eligibility, it should be 18 years old and above, and the minimum annual income is RM24,000 ringgit. For CIMB, it must meet CIMB credit and financing criteria, while Maybank should satisfy the credit worthiness and internal financing criteria such as margins of finance, vehicle type, new versus or anything else. Alright, so the third category is requirement. For Maybank and CIMB, we should at least have a copy of the driving license and our identity cards. So for CIMB, you should at least have a latest 3-month salary slip or your savings, and then you must have a tax returns or EPF statement as income proof. And if you have a business or company, you should give the documents for the additionals. And then for Maybank, at least you have a latest 2 months salary slips and EA form or EPF statement. The last category is interest and profit rates. So for the CIMB hire purchase, we have a financing tenures up to 9 years, and then margin of finance up to 90% of car price. New local car around 3.75% per annum, and then used local car around 4.45% per annum. And the last one is offer competitive profit rates with fixed or variable rate options. For the Maybank hire purchase, the interest profit is rate depends on car type, brands, loan amounts and tenure. For new cars, from as low as 3.4% per annum, and for the used car is around 4.25% per annum. And then it use a term charge instead of interest. And the last one is offer fees or variable rate options.
Right now, I'm going to introduce myself, which is my name is Nuraina Amira binti Burhanuddin. My matrix number is 01DFI24F2020. So the second product chosen is Maxi Home Housing Loan and CIMB Home Loan. First, let's look at the features of both housing loan. Maybank Maxi Home offer a repayment period of up to 35 years or until the borrower reach 70 years old, giving more flexibility in repayment. It also allows customers to choose between a term loan, overdraft, or a combination of both, and even provide option for refinancing and top-up loan. Meanwhile, CIMB Home Loan also offer up to 35 years of tenure, but what makes it different in the Home Flexi features that allow customers to redo extra funds they have paid using CIMB clicks. Next, let's look at the benefits. Maybank Maxi Home provide an easy payment option where customers only pay the interest for the first 5 years, which help reduce early financial pressure. It also allows extra repayments without penalty and offer a high financing margin up to 90%. On the other hand, CIMB Home Loan offer competitive interest rate starting from 4.35% plus the ability to withdraw extra payment anytime. CIMB also give special promotion and cashback programs from time to time. Next, let's discuss the eligibility. For Maybank Maxi Home, the loan is open to individual, joint applicant, and even non-resident, as long as they have a stable income and good credit record. CIMB Home Loan, on the other hand, is mainly for Malaysian citizens aged 18 and above, and it accepts combined income for joint applications, which is ideal for couples. Now, let's look at the fee and charge. For Maybank Maxi Home, there may be penalties for early settlement, especially if the loan is paid off during the lock-in period, which usually lasts between 2 to 5 years. However, the bank allows extra monthly repayment without penalty, which can help reduce your principal and save on interest. Additional financing may also be included for legal fees, MRTA, and stamp duty, depending on the package chosen. For CIMB Home Loan, the lock-in period is usually around 3 years for certain products, and an early settlement penalty applies if the loan is paid off within that period. CIMB also imposes penalty rates for missed payment as stated in their terms and conditions. On the positive side, CIMB allows partial prepayment, meaning you can make extra payment anytime to reduce your total loan cost.
My name is Nurul Sahira Nadia binti Sahari, matric number 01DFI24F2008. For personal loans, we are comparing Maybank Islamic Personal Financing and CIMB Cash Plus Personal Loan. Starting with Maybank Islamic Personal Financing, the financing amount range from 5,000 ringgit Malaysia to 100,000 ringgit Malaysia, with a tenure of up to 6 years. There are no processing or stamping fee, making it more convenient. The benefits include predictable monthly installment with a fixed rate and no need for collateral or guarantor, which make the application simpler. On the other hand, CIMB Cash Plus Personal Loan offer loan amounts between 2,000 ringgit Malaysia to 100,000 ringgit Malaysia with a tenure of 2 to 5 years. It also has no processing or stamp duty fee and even allow yearly settlement for certain cases. Its benefits include competitive interest rates starting from 4.38% per annum and flexibility for general personal use, making it easily accessible. Moving on to the terms and eligibility, for Maybank Islamic Personal Financing, there is a 1% late payment charge per annum, and the final approval depends on the bank credit assessment. It is open to Malaysian citizens aged 21 to 60 years with a minimum monthly income of 3,500 ringgit Malaysia. Meanwhile, CIMB Cash Plus personal loan also charge 1% for late payments, and approval depends on both the bank and the applicant's credit profile. The eligibility is for Malaysian aged 21 to 58 years with a minimum gross income of 2,000 ringgit Malaysia per month. For our conclusion, we have chosen Maybank as the preferred bank. This is because Maybank offer a wider range of financing options with flexible repayment terms, Sharia-compliant products, and higher financing margins. This purchase suits a broader group of customers, from first-time home buyers to car owners and personal borrowers. In addition, Maybank is known for its strong customer service and wide branch network across Malaysia, making it a more reliable and convenient choice overall.